Pratama. I am studying 8th grade. My hobby is swimming, playing. I am from Nagar.
You can start. You.
My name is Shriyata. I am 13 years old. My father name is Shekhar. My mother name is Renuka. I am 7th class grade. I am hobbies playing. I am from Nandapur.
Karthik, introduce yourself.
My name is Karthik. I am 14 years old. My father name is Ponnappa. My mother name is Sujata. I am studying 8th grade. I am from Najarapur. My hobbies swimming, singing, dancing, playing, reading.
Okay. Stop it.